Hi, Lankrita. Thank you for joining us today at the platform of Indian Social Impact Awards.
Thank you so much for having me.
Great. Lankrita, at such a young age, you are leading an NGO, Titli Foundation. So, what inspires you to act onto the social front at this tender age?
So, first of all, thank you for giving the recognition. It means a lot. I believe it's not just me, but my generation altogether.
Hmm.
Gen Z is quite vocal about
Yeah.
change and quite vocal about just being rebellious and
Okay.
bringing in that change, right? So, growing up, I have always seen things around me, and kind of being the youngest in the family, I was always the rebel. And it was the moment when I moved to Mumbai. I come from a small town, so when I moved to Mumbai, I saw the change,
Okay.
the cultural shock, and I was like, why is this difference? Like, why is
Okay.
my town, like, why my people do not have this mindset?
You are originally from?
I'm from Ayodhya,
Okay.
so
Land of Ram Krishna.
yeah. So, so I saw that change firsthand, and I wanted to bring that to everyone. I want equal. I wanted that equal platform for everyone. My parents were, you know, open enough to send me to a college and everything. But many people where I come from, I have seen them not going to college as well. So
Oh.
there was some sort of rebellion in me always. I think I just got the I used the right thing at the right time. It was the timing that pushed me. And it's not just me, by the way. I'm not just the young person who's running an NGO. The
Hmm.
entire NGO is run by people like me. We have kids as young as 13 years old.
Okay.
So I think it's my generation.
Great, great. So, what is that one moment that actually triggered that thing? If
So
if you can just share any story or any moment.
it was back in 2020
All
during
right.
COVID. I was in my last year of college,
Okay.
and I saw some news about menstrual cups on the internet,
Okay.
and I was like, "This seems interesting. I want to try it on my own." And my mom lost it. She was furious at me. She said,
Oh.
"You're not supposed to use this. This is for married girls. You're not married." Because obviously there's a stigma attached to it, right? The hymen breaks when you use a
Yeah,
menstrual cup.
menstrual cup.
My mom did not speak to me for one whole year when I started Titlis.
Okay.
But today she has come around. She has
Oh.
had that journey where she now loves Titli and promotes it like anything.
Oh, great.
So it was a moment when I used menstrual cup myself. I realized that okay, this is something that we need to do.
Oh, wonderful,
This is a great
wonderful.
product. Why not promote it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So, what are the thematic areas, key areas which Titli Foundation is working on? If you could just throw some light on it.
Sure. So we work on women health and hygiene.
Hmm.
We create awareness around menstrual health and hygiene.
Okay.
We are also working on providing livelihoods to the underprivileged.
Okay.
We have worked with red light areas. We have worked with orphanages and schools. So
Hmm.
overall, we have been working with a major chunk of age group
Okay.
and diversity of people.
All right.
So that has been us.
Which locations you are currently catering to?
Pan India, but
Okay.
majorly Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Lucknow, Ayodhya, all of these places.
Great, great, wonderful. So you have set up centers around that areas, or how
So
you guys are operating?
we have 100 plus volunteers all across
Okay.
India that are working with us remotely.
All right.
And when we identify a groundwork place, that's where the people go. So we
Okay.
collaborate a lot with colleges.
Oh,
Example, say DU or MU or
right,
Amity, etc.,
right,
etc.
right.
So we onboard students from there, and then we identify a place, and then we go and do the donation drive. So that's how we work.
Great, great work, Lankrita, I must say. So, one takeaway from today's platform of Indian Social Impact Awards for you.
I think first of all, I have nothing but gratefulness to present to brand honchos and ICSR, because the kind of platform you have given us, specifically as an NGO, it's important because
Hmm.
we are often misguided or confused about how to go ahead about approaching a corporate,
Right.
and this is a platform that helps us to reach out to people. So great job you guys are doing,
Thank you.
and I
Thank you
want you
so
guys to
much.
keep doing it more often. So
Thank
yeah.
you. Thank you so much, Alankrita. And it was really pleasure having you with us today at the platform of Indian Social Impact Awards. And I wish you all the best for your upcoming projects
Thank
and
you.
keep doing the good work you've been doing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Likewise.
Have a great day.